The Anihoslen compatible pressure washer pump replacement for Briggs Stratton 311966GS is engineered to deliver a robust maximum pressure of 2,400 pounds per square inch, ensuring powerful cleaning performance. This pump is equipped with a genuine Annovi Reverberi pressure washer pump, a reliable component known for its durability and efficiency in various pressure washing tasks. It features a maximum flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute, which facilitates efficient water usage without compromising on performance. The pump is designed for vertical gas engine-driven units, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of 4 to 7 horsepower engines with a 7/8-inch diameter shaft. Convenience is enhanced with built-in components such as a pressure control valve, a downstream chemical injection system, and an easy start valve, all contributing to seamless operation. With its thermal relief valve, this pump ensures safety and longevity by preventing overheating during extended use.